Hi, this is Jenna Royal with New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from across the country. Today, we're in Phoenix, Arizona with Woodside Homes. Stephanie Derendal is at the landmark in Santolina at South Mountain. She'll be walking us through the Liberty Plan. Stephanie, take it away.
Welcome to the Liberty Plan at Landmark at Santolina at South Mountain. Let's get started. Walking in, I'm going to head straight into the great room area and dining with the kitchen too right over here on the right hand side. Swing around to the kitchen. Got the kitchen. And then off of the kitchen, you got your garage with your owner's entry / drop zone. Nice storage area. And let's head on into the pantry. I love that pop of blue that we have in here. Swing around, see the great room, into the dining room. And there is also a powder room off of the main entrance. All right, let's head on into the master bedroom. Nice sized backyard. We got a pool showcased in this model. It's a rainy day, but looks great. And we're into the master. Love this wall of windows right here. Lets in a lot of light. Makes your room nice and bright. All right, swing around here. The master, head on into the master bathroom. Got this gorgeous walk-in shower. I love the tile. Got floor to ceiling glass. Great little dry area. Head into the closet. Lots of storage, lots of hanging space, extra room for shelving above. And swing around here. Got more hanging, more storage. Area for shoes, winter wear. Get a glimpse of the vanity area. And shower over there. Rain shower head. And head back into the master bedroom area. We are at Santolina at South Mountain, located at 35th Avenue and Baseline. We are across the street from at Cesar Chavez Park, a great area. They've got fishing, there's a library there, lots of play areas. There's community events that go on there. We're also near the South Mountain area, hiking trails. Isn't that floor awesome? Swing on by here to the powder room as we go on up to the second story. Gorgeous railing. All right, let's head on up. Santolina at South Mountain is also a gated community. We've got 2 series. We're at the Landmark series right now. All right, almost upstairs. Let's head on into the first bedroom. Got a linen closet here. This one showcased for the swimmers out there. It's got a private walk-in closet and a private bathroom. All right, there's the walk-in closet. Kind of swing around here so you can see into the bedroom. Got the bathroom, shower, and vanity area. All right, head on out to the next side of the house. As you're coming up off the stairs, got a little tech area. More storage in that closet right there. And swing around over here to the left. Got your laundry room. Nice big room for a sink. Could put cabinets above the washer and dryer. On this side, we do have the cabinet showcased. All right, let's head on into the loft area. Nice big loft area. Perfect for game nights. And this loft area has a nice storage area, so you have plenty of room to store the games, blankets. And then from this loft area, I'm going to head into one of the bedrooms that's up here also. Camper's room here, bunk beds. And this one also has a walk-in closet too. Lots of storage. Get a little glimpse here of the bedroom. All right, heading on out of that bedroom, swing around into the loft area, and let's head into the other bedrooms and bathroom. First stop's going to be full bathroom. This one we have with a walk-in shower. Got double sinks and a linen area. Next stop's going to be another bedroom. This one's perfect for those baseball fans out there. And head on over. This one also has a walk-in closet too. All right, from this bedroom, we're heading into the final bedroom that's upstairs. Got a baby's room. Yes, chandelier. Everybody has to have a chandelier in a baby's room. And this one also has a walk-in closet too. Thanks so much for heading on the tour with us. We just walked through the Liberty Plan at Landmark and Santolina at South Mountain. We've got lots of plans, all brand new ones. We'd love to come out and show you around. See you soon.
Thanks, Stephanie. For more information about this community, click the link in the comments below and stay tuned for more new home designs.